In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the language in Google Chrome on your mobile device. Changing the language can be useful if you want to browse the internet in a language that you are comfortable with. To get started, open up the Google Chrome web browser and then tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner. And then swipe left on these options and tap Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Languages. As you can see, I have 2 languages added to Chrome. To add a new language, simply tap where it says Add Language. Now you can scroll down this list and find your desired language, or you can also tap on the search bar up top and search for it. Tap on it to select it. To use that language as the browser language, you have to remove other languages. To do that, swipe left on any language and tap Delete. Tap Done at the top right to save changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.